Thank you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rhythmic, man. I'm at home and I want to show you how to play the piano, man. How you can sing playing the piano. This is a nice tutorial, don't miss it, because if you miss it, there'll never be a tutorial like this one anymore. Just keep in touch, and don't forget to hit that button, subscription button, and thank you for continued support, man. Thank you so much. My name is Rhythmic. I'm going to sing in Swahili, but I'm going to sing my own composition, guys, and I hope you enjoy. So I'm going to play my piano at a key of F. I'm going to play my piano at a key of F major, so that I can play my piano like this, like this. I'm going to find a dance that a beat, yani. Then can go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1. Just like that, man. Want it to start right there. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Another sound, man. Just keep in touch, man. Don't miss this, huh? Like that. Da 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 da. Yes. Let me just reduce the tempo and just use like 91. I'm using my first chord, man. I'm using my first chord, and then I'm going to my fourth, and then back to 1. Then I finish with the fifth chord. 1, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5, and then I just play continuous, I'm doing continuous chord. I start out, I'm praying. I'm using a tempo of 91. 91. The key I have said is F major scale. I have transposed -2, so I'm playing a key of G. Yes, thank you guys, man. Thank you for continued support. And if you want to play your piano, very nice. Piano is usually very nice. I'm hoping you are going to play this at home. Just try. 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5. Na hii baada unaweza imba kwa jinsi tofauti pale. Acha niongee kwa lugha ya kwetu kiasi. Unaweza imba ngoma yoyote by the way na hii chord. Unaweza icheza hivi breaking chord. Ama unaweza cheza ina continuous chord. Ama ucheze just 1. Unaweza cheza kwa jinsi tofauti sana iko. Thank you guys for keeping in my channel. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. My name is Rhythmic. Let's meet on the next tutorial, guys, and have a nice day. Thank you guys. Let's meet again.